Hello world, in this video I'm gonna give you the easiest way to connect MCP to Claude or Cursor or another tool, which is MCP inside Docker. So all you need is actually download Docker Desktop. Here I'm on Windows, but of course it also works on Mac or Linux. And then you need to go to the extension settings, and under extensions down there, just search for MCP. So MCP, there's a Docker MCP toolkit. And what you do is you just download and install it. I already did that, so I can go to open. And inside here, you find various MCP servers. You just have to search for it, or you just scroll down and you can see all the options. In this case, I already installed two of them, which is 11 Labs as an example, and also Postgres to connect to my Supabase database. So all you just do, you just click on the specific tool, for instance this one here, and then you can just configure it. Here in this case, this needs a secret, for instance. The same is true, by the way, for the other ones, right? 11 Labs as an example, already go there. I go to configuration, I edit here my secret key, and then I can see all the tools available in here. So that's what I have to do, and then just enable the tool in here. And as soon as you're done with that, then you just need to restart Claude Desktop, for instance, if that's what you want to use. Otherwise, just if you want to use Cursor, for instance, go to MCP clients in here, and then just say connect, for instance, here to Cursor. In this case, I just used Claude Desktop for this one. So after this, as I said, just restart the application, in this case Claude Desktop or Cursor, and then if I do that, and let me show you actually Claude Desktop in here. So don't get distracted, it's in German, but it looks the same for you, just in your native language, and then just ask now here. And if I just ask, for instance, what is the amount of rows in a specific table in my database, for instance, or any other kind of SQL question I have. You can also quickly check if you go there under search and tools, right, you can find here that there's an MCP Docker. That should be available, and you can see here all the tools. So if I click there, I can see all the various tools. In this case, for me, it's all the tools from 11 Labs, as well as the Supabase tool. However, just to mention that Supabase only, or in this case, the Postgres tool, only allows reading access currently. That's one limitation. Okay, so let's actually ask a question and check whether this works. So if I say, for instance, how many entries exist in my, and then Olama table, because I have an Olama table inside my Supabase database. So I just ask that, just send it to Claude, and then it should actually, call the MCP. So just a second, as you can see here, it's calling the MCP server. So the first time, of course, always in Claude Desktop, it just says whether, or asked for allowance, whether it's allowed to connect. In this case, I already skipped that. So as you can see here, I get 22 entries, and it queried. So it's called the MCP tool in this case, and there exactly you can see also the SQL query and then the result. So that's basically it. That's how easy it actually is to use Docker and the MCP tool, as you can see one more time in here. Then just select the specific MCP servers you want to use, plug in your credentials if you need, and then go to the MCP client, specify what client you want to use, restart the client one time, otherwise it will not be visible, and then you can leverage the tools. So that works exactly the same as I did in the past, but there, for instance, here I had to use in my first MCP. Here I created them with Python in this case, and this with Docker is much easier and much faster. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give it a try. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and also give it a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Take care and see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.